Okay guys, today I'm going to show you the DoWox brushless impact driver. I'm a pretty big fan of the DoWox brand, as you can tell. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you what we have. So first of all, you'll see in the box there's this top flap right here. Inside we have our little bits, little Phillips head bits. You got some longer reach ones here, a couple of T-bits in there too, little flat heads. I think we have a little adapter for those. We have an 8mm somewhere, 8mm right here. So we have a 10 and your 12mm. And opening up the box, we have an information booklet. It'll tell you exactly what it can do. With all the DoWox batteries, you always have the power button on here to see how much battery we have. It comes with a fully loaded battery. Tool itself. Let's have a look, little charger as well. I never use these, but there's a clip if you want to clip it to your belt. Let's reverse, point it forward. Okay, you got your speed limit here. 4. So we've got 4 speed limits. Put that in reverse, see what we get. Oh, nice. Looks like we also have 4 speed limits in reverse too. With the impacts, you'll see, you'll get 2 speeds. In reverse, you'll only get 1. You'll have that little one there. Kind of expected it to be the same with this, but I'm quite pleased that it's got 4 speeds in forwards and reverse. Okay, for the first test, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get these 10mm screws right here, normal screw with a 10mm head. I'm going to drill it into this wood over here. As you can see, there's no pre-drilled holes. So, using the 10mm socket it comes with, let's go ahead and see what it can do. Too easy. Okay, next thing we've got is battery tie down 10mm bolts. Okay, got some hose clamps over here. Okay, we've got the T15 socket and the 1/4" adapter and a radio from the car.